As a homesteader, I'd like to use less toxic, handmade, homemade products to clean or to treat my health or to just generally reduce toxins in my home. I've been a subscriber to Simply Earth subscription box for a long time, probably 3 years, 4 years. So every month I pay my subscription fee and they send me a package. When you first sign up, they send you the big bonus box, and then every 6th box afterwards. Inside the big bonus box, when they ship it, you will find your monthly subscription box and then all the things you'll need to make your roll-ons and diffuser blends for the next 6 months, plus some ingredients that they use every month. On any month that's not the 1st or the 6th box you've ordered, the monthly box will just come in the mailbox like this. Come on in closer and see what I've got in these boxes. I'm going to set the monthly box aside for now, and I'm going to go through the big bonus box first. Inside the big bonus box, you're going to get 6 roll-on bottles with the roller ball on the top. These are for different recipes for rolling on as perfume or as muscle soothers or lip balm or insect repellent. They've got all kinds of recipes. They give you 6 recipes every month. Every month there will be 1 recipe for a roll-on. They also give you 6 bottles for diffuser blends. It's open on top right now and the seal is still intact on this lid, and there is a dropper insert for the lid inside. So you make your blend and then you screw it tight and then it's sealed. Every month they'll give you a diffuser blend recipe as well. They'll also provide you with a solid coconut oil, beeswax pellets. These are great for making chapsticks or salves and balms and such. A fractionated or liquid coconut oil, and an almond oil. These are used to make your roller blends and to provide different dilution carrier oils for different products. In the monthly box, you get 4 bottles of essential oils. So this month I have sage, cedarwood, marjoram, and every month there is one of their exclusive blend recipes, and this one is Good Vibes. That's their exclusive blend. Every month they give you things to make the monthly recipes. This month is about beauty, and we have red iron oxide and fuchsia mica powder. And this month they've included 2 of these little tins. These tins are for making a blush and an eyeshadow. This month is beauty. We also have a DIY mineral makeup base. They've gone through and they've taken the time to make sure these things are non-toxic and as low toxicity as possible. All of their recipes are based on non-toxic thinking. We have the 6 recipe cards. We have stickers to go on all of your creations and stickers to go on the top of your bottles. So if you've got them in a drawer or a tray, you can read the top of the bottle. And every month there's a Zero to Hero leaflet. This is giving Christmas ideas. It says Christmas room spray, and it's got a QR code so you can check things out, and the DIY makeup code. So it takes you back to their website, simplyearth.com. Today I'd like to make 2 of my final Christmas projects. I'm going to make 2 bottles of Monthly's roll-on that has essential oils in it to help with moods and to help with cramping and to help with just uplifting for that time of the month. And I'll show you how to do that here. If you're interested in any of these products, go to simplyearth.com and use my code at checkout for KarenMM50 to get a discount. I'll put that link in the description down below. Come on down to the tabletop and work with me while I create these last 2 Christmas gifts. I'm going to move the placemat out of the way. I don't want to get essential oils or coconut oil all over that. With 2 bottles from my big bonus box, I'm going to make up two blends of the same thing. There are tools you can get on the website for taking these lids off. I normally am able just to push them off or wiggle them off. And of course today they're going to be difficult because I'm on camera. So this month's recipes are Enchanted Diffuser Blend, Currant Wine Lip Crayon, Monthly's Roll-On, which is the recipe I'm doing, Dusty Rose Blush, Pink Lemonade Eyeshadow, and a glow serum to help your skin glow, because it's all about beauty this month. So what I need is Good Vibes and marjoram. I have a tiny little funnel that I like to use for these. So I'm going to go, so I'm going to put 4 drops of Good Vibes essential oil. There we go, 4. And 2 drops of marjoram. There we go, 2 drops of marjoram. And then my fractionated coconut oil. And since this is a 10 ml bottle and the recipe calls for 10 ml of coconut, you just fill the bottle up the rest of the way. The funnel is really handy for this to help reduce the mess that you're making. And I'm clumsy, so I know that making a mess is part of the scene for me. Okay, we're going to take that funnel out. I don't want to knock that over. Pop the roller ball in. And I got coconut oil on my fingers. We're going to shake that up. In the sticker sheet, there is a sticker for Monthly's Roll-On. It has directions and the ingredients, and then it's got the cautions written down below. I'll have to duplicate this on my Cricut so that I have a label for the other bottle. But if you're not making gifts with these, this is just perfect for yourself. Now make sure there's no oil on the bottle when you go to throw that sticker on. And these stickers are perfectly designed to just go right on there like so. To use, apply to pulse points and inhale deeply. I'm sure you could roll it on your belly for cramping too, because marjoram is great for cramping muscles. Even if it's an arm or a leg or something, you could apply it diluted. You don't want to use essential oils straight. You need to dilute them for external use only. That's one thing about Simply Earth. They give you all of the important facts and details. If you go to their YouTube channel, you can see what each oil is good for and how to use it safely, whether it's safe for cats or dogs or children. And everything comes with labels, and it's great. And the one other thing that I like about Simply Earth is they do not encourage you to ingest your essential oils. That is a controversial topic at best, and there are some companies that I'm not going to name that do have a whole line of ingestible essential oils. I am never going to take mine internally, never. They are very concentrated and very strong. So that's why we dilute them with the coconut oil, the carrier oil of your choice. It might be almond, it might be sesame, it might be grapeseed, avocado, whatever is working best for you. Perhaps you can't use almond oil because you have a nut sensitivity or an almond sensitivity. Well, maybe you need to switch over to grapeseed oil instead. But the kit comes with coconut oil and almond oil. So this is a gift for one of my daughters at Christmas, and I'll make up the other one and label it with my Cricut, just so I have a pretty label on it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Be sure to stop by simplyearth.com, and if you're going to do any shopping, use the discount code KarenMM50. I'll put all that information down below in the description. Thanks for hanging out, guys. See you next time.